In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an insert map in ArcGIS Pro. An insert map or locator map in ArcGIS Pro is a supplementary map that provides context or additional detail for a specific area within the main map. It helps users quickly identify the location of the primary map area within a broader geographic context. The quick way to create a layout with an insert map is to use one of the pre-built templates that already exists in ArcGIS Pro. You can do this by clicking on the insert here. So you bring your cursor down towards this import layout and you click on it. This contains both the main map and the insert map. If I should come to my map frame and I'll right click and I'll activate my map frame. So by the time I zoom in, you realize from this insert map you can see it has changed. The way I'm zooming in, it has changed. It reduces the extent area I'm zooming in. If I should zoom out, it will increase the extent as well. You can use this template for your map inserts. You can see we have the title, map type 2, the north arrow, scale bar. Everything has been placed properly on the template. And if you have an existing map, if you want to work with an existing map using this map insert templates, how do you go about it? And that is the purpose of this video, on how to bring in an existing map into a map insert. And to go about that, what you can do is to come to this insert, you click on insert, and then you come to this import map layout. So when you click on import map layout, when you come to this map frame, you realize that we don't have a base map we can bring in. And for us to bring in a base map into this map insert, what we can do is to come to this catalog. Under this map, you right click and you click on new map. You create a new map. Coming to this map here, under this base map, I'll be making use of imagery. So I will change this to imagery. This is my area of study, my focus area. So what I can do now is to come back to this previous tab and I'll come to under the insert here. I'll click on this map frame. So we now have this base map. So I'm going to draw a rectangle here. There we go. We have added insert map, but I think it will even be better with an extent indicator. And with this extent indicator, what you can do is to select the main map, then you change this to extent indicator. And once you change this to extent indicator, you click on map frame. So on this extent indicator, you click on map frame. It's going to bring out the map frame. With this now, when you come to this map frame format, you can change this border to red and then change the width, thickness. You can change the thickness of the indicator, and that is it. In this video, we have created an insert map with an extent indicator on ArcGIS Pro. Creating this map element provides a location reference and give better geographical context to our map. I hope you enjoyed this video and learn about cartography. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and write us a comment below if you need any assistance. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.